الحديث 32 عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: أسرف رجل على نفسه فلما حضره الموت أوصى بنيه فقال: إذا أنا مت فاحرقوني ثم اسحقوني ثم أدروني في البحر، فوالله لئن قدر علي ربي ليعذبني عذابا ما عذبه أحد. ففعلوا ذلك به، فقال للأرض: أدي ما أخذت، فإذا هو قائم، فقال له: ما حملك على ما صنعت؟ قال: خشيتك يا رب أو مخافتك، فغفر له ذلك. رواه مسلم وكذلك البخاري والنسائي وابن ماجه.
Hadith 32. On the authority of Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, from the Prophet, may the blessings and peace of Allah be upon him, who said, A man sinned greatly against himself, and when death came to him, he charged his son, saying, When I have died, burn me, then crush me, and scatter my ashes into the sea. For by Allah, if my Lord takes possession of me, he will punish me in a manner in which he has punished no one else. So they did that to him. Then he said to the earth, Produce what you have taken. And there he was. And he said to him, What induced you to do what you did? He said, Being afraid of you, O my Lord. Or he said, Being frightened of you. And because of that he forgave him. It was related by Muslim, also by Al-Bukhari, An-Nasai, and Ibn Majah.